You gotta go.
Excuse me?
Yo, you heard what I just said, bro. Just get the car done, that's it. You should have had somebody else do the dashboard. The car's gonna
Talk like you just did ever again.
What?
I'm all quit. I'm telling you right now, don't
just do the car.
crazy
So go
right
home
now?
then, go.
Crazy.
Yeah, 265. Oh, what happened? Remy left? Dave, you bouncing the tire or you talking on the phone? Let's keep this thing off when you're working, please.
Oh, my hand just went back.
I'm not gonna have you talking on the phone while you talk.
I can get what's going on with my hand.
What I'm saying, if there's something wrong, I'm gonna let you take off the whole day. But it ain't gonna be on my time. All right, Chet, what are you doing?
Put them the pieces that we ordered.
Oh, okay. That stuff has come here. Me and you gonna work on that car together.
You want to do that
I'm
right
gonna
now?
be the orchestra, and you're gonna wire it up, and I'm gonna tell you where to put everything, and we're gonna make it happen.
Okay.
All right?
You want to do it right now?
Who needs Remy? No, you just told me. See, you're just doing the same mistake Remy made.
Okay.
When I tell you to do something, that doesn't mean you gotta stop doing what you were doing, bro. You should have just went on with the plan. I guess I got pissed off about it. Did some yelling. He didn't like it. And he took it upon himself to take a half day off. Am I mad? Am I happy about it? No. Am I mad about it? Yeah. Can I do anything about it? No. So the day just goes on, B. I mean, another day will be tomorrow. If he doesn't show up tomorrow, then we'll have to, then I have to just start checking into plan B, because my business still got to go on. That's it. Basically, Remy took off. I basically didn't call him. He didn't call me. I went to bed, basically, a little upset about the whole situation. And, but, it's a new morning. You know what I'm saying? It's a new day. And basically, I came in, anticipating he wasn't going to be here.
That's Remy. Go get him. I got him.
So I was basically going to get the car, maybe getting the mechanical done on it. So I didn't lose any downtime. And then he would have maybe called me in a couple days. I thought maybe he needed another extra day to cool off. So I would have still got production on the car anyway. I got to make sure that I have plan B. Shut the mic off.
And Willie, if you ever talk to me like that again, I'm gonna stick this screwdriver in your ass.
Basically, I'm limping around for the past 5 years, and basically, I'm gonna get some surgery. I got a torn cartilage in my right knee. I got a meniscus tear. Dr. Illman's gonna, do surgery, and hopefully everything goes well.
When did you tear it?
few years ago.
Oh, so it's been going on for a while.
Yeah, I just been limping. Now I got a little daughter and I'm chasing her around, so I just want to make sure I get it all perfectly healed up.
Now, at one point, your blood pressure was elevated, though. The doctors here started you on Tevitin, right?
Yeah, it probably must have been maybe Buster got me going crazy. One of my customers had me crazy that day, so there must have been a deadline on the car.
All right.
Easy there.
Lift up the tongue. Good.
Good.
Good luck on Thursday.
Thanks, bud. I appreciate it.
I'll see you after the following week, all right?
Okay.
And I think that's it. Good?
Basically, they gave me a blue lollipop, favorite color, tastes good. I got a clean bill of health. That's all I can ask.
Basically, yesterday you saw how, Willie talked to me. My biggest thing with him is that I know he has a lot of pressure and stuff, but I don't like to be talked to like that. I don't let people, like my parents or somebody talk to me like that. I'm not gonna let my boss talk to me like that. I work hard and stuff, and I bust my ass and I know what has to get done every day, and I get it done. The rest of the day I have to do these speakers and the crossovers, and the crossover probably not gonna fit. That's the problem. Like I said, the crossover wasn't gonna fit. I already knew that. Raul, can you give me my pry bar? The door pods are done. As you can see, I made the fiberglass custom door pods with the JL woofers in here. Radio is done. Made the little radio pod. Lights up, works, functional. Dashboard is complete and painted. Glove box. It's an old car. And that's it. So tomorrow I can start on the trunk. Chet's finishing up a little bit of stuff under here. And it's a wrap over.
Yo, now I'm gonna flip it back to you now. Yo, you got to, when you come Saturday, I hope you got something typed out with where we're doing this venue in Denver, what date. You better have that, dog. You've been bullshit. I got people asking me all kind of details, and I don't have nothing to give them.
You already dented the speaker grill. It's your knee. Oh my God, look at the drill on the brand new interior. Look, it threw it on there like it was an old pickup truck. I was gonna put a cap. You think I should put a cap?
I would.
I don't know what I'm gonna do over here. Finish this off and then make a big piece right here. That's it, bro. Oh.
It's crazy. Nuts, right?
No.
But the
What?
there's the baby right here. What's up, Tom? What's going on? Good?
What's going on?
This thing is crazy. We're gonna be doing some customization on a dump truck, but I never seen a dump truck like this. This thing's like a show truck, actually. Has every light in the back. It's sick. It's hot, right?
All right, so the inside, you know, let's do something good.
Yeah, definitely. I was thinking maybe doing like a nice yellow suede
And black.
and black, right?
Yeah.
I could do a black. I could do actually black and yellow, which would really be nice.
Okay. Then I guess we'll take that radio out. I don't want too complicated of a radio, but I guess the easiest way to do it is put a flip in there. We
With a
tie the
touchscreen.
camera
I could do
into
it. We could do a touchscreen and have a camera on it.
that. Okay.
It's a touchscreen. It's really easy to use.
Okay.
Wow, look at this.
Truck's an automatic.
It's hot.
It is so fast.
Now we've never done a dump truck. This is for the. See, you should let us do the yellow marble. The yellow marble will be hot, or black marble. This crazy, man.
No, how was your day? Good? Yeah.
Yeah, that bumble weighs as much as my Civic does. I'm not kidding you.
You want to come see what I'm doing in the trunk? Huh? What's the matter? Weirdo. Come over here. Gotta teach the young, because when I get old, somebody gotta pay my bills for me. My dad taught me stuff when I was young. Carried on to now, so. Kind of just sticks with you. Right?
Looking good. I wish I could have a drink right now.
Can't?
No, I can't do any of that.
Can you, you're not allowed to eat
Can.
either, right?
I think I could eat up to about 11 o'clock.
Oh, yeah?
I think I'm gonna have me a nice chocolate chip sundae. Well, it's Thursday, it's D-Day, so basically I'm going to the tire repair shop, but actually for the human beings, for the leg. So hopefully I'm gonna get my tire repaired and then I could start driving and walking normal, just like every other person. So hopefully everything goes well and see what happens.
All right, I'll call back in a half an hour. All right, bye.
He's still in surgery?
Yeah. He's under the knife still, so I ain't leaving until he wakes up. He's ready? Willie's ready. Cool. Okay, go pick him up. You gonna be able to get up or not?
Open the door first.
All right. Willie's back from surgery up front on the phone. He hasn't taken, he's still on, I think he's still on anesthesia.
I just got off this, the surgery table, took a 2-hour nap, and actually it's not that bad so far. I'm waiting for the painkillers to wear off.
Like I said, he's an immortal. No pain.
Nothing stops that guy.
Nothing.
Not even surgery.
Not even surgery. Not even surgery can hold that man down.
rock and roll. I think it looks great.
Yeah, this is the bad one right here. That looks good.
I just finished this trunk. I stayed late 3 days in a row. I basically had to reconstruct the whole trunk. So, took a little bit of extra time, but it came out good. Chet did all the chrome pieces on the car. Oh, did I put the door panels back on? That's one thing, and the alternator. Those are the two things I could say he did. So I did the radio, the dashboard, the door pods. So now it sounds great. Trunk's done now, and that's about it. We got a detail tomorrow, and the Lincoln will be gone. That's it.
I like when they say, how do you feel after a surgery? How the do you think you feel after a surgery? You definitely don't feel better than what you did when you went in there. Obviously, it's like, I think that's sometimes just like, how do you feel? What do you think how I feel? I feel up is how I feel.
What's happening is he's choked up.
He's fake. It's not real. It's all an illusion.
I was just about to
He's
say,
on
all-
Vicodin.
Is it really?
Yeah, he just had surgery yesterday
I know.
morning.
How much did they give him?
I don't know.
People ask extra.
Big horse pills.
My leg gotta be all up and like when you see one of those things with a string on your leg. It's like, it's crazy. Can I speak to Dr. Elman, please?
Who's calling?
It's Will Casher. I was waiting, and he said he was on another line. He couldn't take the phone.
Oh, okay.
And I had surgery Thursday, and I'm not feeling too well, so I want to speak to him.
All right, hold on a sec.
Thank you for calling. Please be assured that your call will be answered as quickly as possible. Thank you for calling. Please be assured that your call will be answered as quickly as possible.
Honestly, I need an inch. So. We reconstructed that bad boy. I wanted to. Pat said the heat.
I said use the heat gun.
Listen, I'll chop that thing out of there. I won't even think twice.
Hell no. No, I told you the ass off.
I'll chop it out.
Hell yeah.
Folks, don't try this at home. We'll burn you fall to the ground.
Ready?
Remy, your balls are bigger than mine.
Hey, Peter built it, Chetty and Remy built.
Hold on, before we go. What's that for? Good to go, right?
Yeah.
Little heat action.
Hello?
Hello, Dr. Ullman. Basically, this Magnum is Marcus Camby's, and basically, we got no time to get it done. It just got here, and it has to be done. They're
Wow.
already calling asking for it.
How things don't change.
Things definitely don't change around here, so. Well, basically, I'm gonna go with 2 tons. Go with Alpine head unit with the touchscreen. I'm gonna go with Alpine headrest TVs. Be nice to do like a remote start, because over there in Denver has a severe cold winter storm, so you can do the remote start and pager.
I know, we should just set up an assembly line. Got jokes, got jokes.
That's what it says in that magazine, unique assembly line.
It should be set up like that a little bit, man. Pat, whoa, watch out, bro. You all right, bro? Yo, don't watch the bumper. Just got them re-chromed. You're out here playing around with the car.
You know, trying to back up.
Those painkillers working good, huh?
What?
Those painkillers are working good, huh?
What things?
The painkillers?
That's right. I'm gonna be here every day.
Every day?
Every
Just
day.
pop a couple pills and you're good, right?
I only had to
Cruise around
pop.
in the
All I
car.
had to do was pop the one. I'm good.
We were just working on a 64 Lincoln with lights about this big inside the interior. And now we're into the 2004 dump truck here, Peterbilt. And this is basically a fiber optic cable that lights up the whole dashboard. And this is like the distribution center right here, and everything just plugs right into here. It's pretty amazing. Technology, you know? Pretty cool to go from one car to the next. When Willie decides to go home, we're gonna take his new little golf cart, whatever the hell they call it, handicap cart, if he ever decides to leave. I'm putting 6.5-inch components in here, so I'm just tracing out templates right now for the tweeters and the woofers. I'm just trying to do a nice, neat job so I don't ruin Pat's job.
One slight mishap could ruin the whole dashboard.
Here we go.
Remy's in his moving mood.
Big dilemma. We have sun visors in the car. I put the speakers where the sun visors are going to go. So basically, if they flip this way, it's going to cover the speaker at all times. So basically, I think they flip up. I think they go this way. Do they go that way? I don't think they sit in it on this. They don't go like this?
They could go like that.
They could go like that, right?
Yeah.
Guess what? That's the way they all go. No, you sure? This is how they go. And they go like that. Yeah. I'm right.
You all right?
I'm right.
You good, baby?
I'm right.
You good?
When the boss is away, the rats will play. Oh, music. All right, that's enough, that's enough. Back to work.
God, yo, this jacket's a pain in the ass, man. This thing's a pain in the ass. Wow. Nice. Got the tinted windows. Yeah, take a look. Bro, you want to jump on the other side? Show them what's going on. Got the Peterbilt. You see the headliners in yellow? What we did on
What do
it.
you think, Wes?
Got 6.5 components up here. You got the tweeters over here.
Very nice.
You got your flip-out DVD player right here.
Wow.
We took apart the whole dashboard, painted it, changed the color of that.
Nice.
Honestly, that's like the biggest truck that we ever did here. So it's actually, you know, I think it was really unique and special that we can actually work on something like that. I didn't think we could do it, but
And I knew you didn't do these every day, but I knew you were the man for the job.
see, big boy toys, you know what I'm saying? This is it, grown man toys, that's what we're about here.
I was instructed to make another simplified box for this car, so that's what I'm doing. Can't get creative.
Now, what do you gotta do now?
Okay, with Marcus Camby, is it possible that you can get me a driver that we can load the cars tomorrow? I need to get the trailer there by Sunday. Because we're going to shoot and film. There's a car audio shoot.
The car's gotta go out there now.
The Chevy Corvette, the Dodge Magnum station wagon, and the Lincoln, the 64 Lincoln.
See, you figure I got 50 feet because I gotta leave, 6 inches between each car, so I got 50 feet.
Okay, cool. I'm going to have the measurements in about 10 minutes for you. I'll call you at the office. All right, bye.
Another box, another day.
This houses like all the control functions are all in the head unit in the display. That's actually only just the display. The amplifier is built into here. If you were to use the power from the radio, we're using separate amplifiers, but that's not used. All your amps plug into here. Your video game, your TV screens, everything gets plugged into this. The only thing that comes out of here is 1 or 2 cables that plug into the head unit direct. But this is like the brains of the operation. Everything goes through this, and then that will command this and tell everything else in the car what to do.
What, do you have a scarf on? Yo, this guy made a scarf out of suede. Look at this guy. Like he's in the Adirondacks or something.
No, he thinks he's Snoop Dogg or something.
Snoop Dogg? I think he did Pierre Cardin or something. He's trying to pull off some GQ stuff in the shop. Darryl, I'm telling you, we're working too hard, Darryl. Look at all the pants. See this? Look at these shoes. Look at the dirt. Look at the sawdust. This guy got holes in his pants. We're working too hard. And then look at Chet. Camouflage sneakers, camouflage hat.
He got a new camouflage jacket for my birthday.
And he got a new camouflage jacket for his birthday. He's ready to go in the woods right after work. Look at this guy. Look, yo. Unbelievable. I'm doing something wrong, I'm telling you. Something. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm gonna figure it out, and when I do, you're not gonna see me sanding anymore. It's a very routine box I'm doing right here. Very simple. I wasn't paying attention, and I did an internal dimension instead of the external dimension. And the problem is that there's no more wood.
Whoops. You just bought one. Oh, God. When that box goes on the floor, it's scary.
Oh. That's good. Just hold up there. Oh, perfect, Dave. See, a little pressure. It's good. And that's it, another one done.
We're here in Denver, Colorado. We're at Carmelo Anthony's house. He asked me to stop by, come and see Lala, because she needed some work done on her G500. So I'm here, and of course, we sitting right in front of the Yukon that we did laced out for him. You can see it's dirty. I mean, it's Colorado. It snows every day, I think. Man, it's cold out here today. So we're gonna go see Lala, and hopefully she catches it. We can catch her here and get some work. What's up, how you doing? How you doing? How's everything? Well, Mello asked me to come and see you about the G5.
The G5's not here in New York. Everybody knows I live in New York. So that's where the car is at. But I was saying, like, you've done work on so many of his cars, and like, you know, the Lincoln that's in the garage is popping. Okay. So I just want to look at that and show you some of the same things that you could
might want to do. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So we got it, it's right here. As you can see.
This is crazy right here.
You know, three-dimensional. You know what I'm saying? Three-dimensional, looks like the paint is chipping off.
And it feels like it.
We even got the doggies in the back to make sure we keep all the people out of here. And look what we did in the back for them.
That's crazy.
As you can see, you know, we did actually like a theme in here. Mm-hmm. If you notice, we did like a theme. We got the hardwood basketball floor for you that people don't know. You know, he be balling and stuff on the Denver Nuggets. There's like the bleachers.
That's hot.
We got the B-ball.
Like, I want pink inside
Pink
my
piping?
cars. Yes, pink piping inside my car. But I just like the concept of how it's yellow and blue and it contrasts like that. I think that's hot. And I don't know if people saw how you did the wheel too, like with the basketball.
Wheel, yeah, maybe we could do a nice pink steering wheel.
That would be hot.
That'd be hot. I'll see you at the game.
Yes, I'll see you at the game, and then we'll see you in New York.
Yes.
All right, cool.
All righty.
Thank you for coming by.
All right, thank you.
See you later.
All right. I had to buy my own jersey. I've been asking MC. You know, he be, hold on, because he be coming into the shop, yo, where's my jersey? I've been asking him for a jersey for a minute.
He couldn't let me know how to get one off my back.
Yeah, all right, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get one, you know what I'm saying? So I got to get the You know, Belly, he gets percentage on this, so that's all good. You know? What up, baby? Hey, you stop good thing tomorrow?
What you doing? Just painting this up?
Yeah,
pink lights?
Shit, I might paint that pink.
Pink lights? No, don't go whole pink. Don't do whole.
Don't worry about it. You good. You ain't got to do anything. You good.
He don't drive it anyway.
You can't do the whole pink though.
We're not doing nothing.
Nah,
It don't matter. You don't drive it anyway.
Pink.
Don't.
The paint shit up top.
Hi, baby.
The paint shit up top and all that. No, don't do all that.
I'm going to see you tomorrow, though.
All right.
All right? Bye-bye. Take care. All right?
I see you, and I see you back in New York.
Basically, we just got here with the trailer to unload Marcus Camby's cars that we just got done for him. We actually dropping off the Magnum, the 64 Lincoln, and we also got the convertible Corvette. So we're bringing those over here for him. We're gonna get them out the trailer, set them all up, because we gotta be here at practice by 11. So we're gonna make sure the cars is all set up. It's gonna be a crazy day today, but we're gonna make it happen. And what do I say? Then I'll take the red eye, be at work tomorrow, and just be back like a normal day. Nah, it's dead. Don't overdo it. You're gonna over flood it.
Yeah, he's on. He's on.
Usually, you're always gonna have one of these problems. Like one of the cars don't want to start, and of course, the '64. It's an old classic. It's been sitting, and there's no jumper cables. What are you gonna do? They'll figure it out though. That's why we're here early. Nah, it's automatic. All right, that's it. Just let it run for a little bit. Basically, what Mike is saying is it makes a lot of sense. He goes, well, it's not that the car needs to be warmed up. It's actually because we're in a higher altitude in the Rocky Mountains over here that the car, it was tuned up in New York, and it's a higher altitude here, so it throws off the whole timing and the tuning of the carburetor, so it needs to be readjusted and tuned. So I guess I'm gonna have to get that done for him also. Oh, it's gangster. This is gonna be like a kick-around car, messing around with it. So that's what I'm saying. So I made a small 10-inch box in there. It still beats too. Right. Look good, the doors. Definitely.
Yeah, like this.
And if you don't know already, all the cars is black, you know. It's a funeral.
Favorite color.
Pay the respects.
I love it. I love how it came out. I love how it looks. It's a good look for me right here. Right here, the 64 Lincoln I got. When I got it, it was like white and all beat up. You know, I always wanted this car because it had the suicide door. If it didn't have the suicide doors, I didn't want it. Really like the chrome lip. Lips real big, really pokes out. Once again, we got the P0 tires. Overall, I really like this car, man. Before it was all beat up, nasty, chipped up and stuff. Now, you know, I like the paint on it. I like the chrome on it. The chrome is really hitting it real good. You know? It's another good look for me. It's probably one of my favorite cars right now. I know when guys see it on the team, they're gonna want one also. So it's a real good look right here.
Basically, Denver was a grand slam. Done. Got to see Carmelo, got to see Lala, sell a job to her, got to deliver Marcus Camby. Everybody loved their cars. It was great to see them out there. It was just all the way around. It was actually a great couple of days out there.
Man, I brought the Magnum up here to get done up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. 10 cars.
You guys just got me out of bed. I'm half asleep right now.
What hangs up TVs?
This car right here, it demands respect.
They were trying to steal the thing so they could get it here.
If you can't make it to the club, what do we say? Bring the club to you.
I'm not going to the police. It will be handled in a different way.